Morning all, it's Richard York here from WRSA. Today we're in the Limpopo province with FASA and WRSA at our provincial chamber meeting. It was a resounding success. I just want to thank every single game rancher, hunting outfitter and wildlife enthusiast that was here today, and for your guys' amazing support. We got exceptional feedback about what's happening in the industry, what's happening with regulations, what our opportunities, our threats are out there, and how we can improve going forward. We look forward to working together with the rest of the industry, and it's a privilege for WRSA to be part of the greater Suco picture.
Well, I would like to thank everybody that attended today's FASA and WRSA provincial meeting at Valwater. I think it was a great success. We want to thank each and every member of both organizations for their continuous support to help the industry and to make this industry the greatest industry in South Africa. So thank you to everybody that attended. Thank you for all the role players, and let's make our industry the greatest there is.